Hi! Welcome back to Table Talk with Sarice, and today is a continuation on the Macronutrients Lecture Series, where I'll be talking about carbohydrates. All living organisms must either consume or synthesize these vital ingredients in order to thrive. And carbohydrates get a bad reputation, mainly because we consume them at way higher rates than what we're meant to. But we absolutely need carbs. Carbs are the main source of all the energy that we have available to us. Carbohydrates are sugars, and the most basic form of a carbohydrate is called a monosaccharide. There are also
disaccharides, polysaccharides, oligosaccharides,
which all vary in length of chain and in flavor. Some are sweet and some are not, but most of us will agree that they're all pretty tasty. And yeah, it's cool that carbohydrates can come in all these various configurations, but none of them are very useful to us until our body breaks them down into glucose. Well, I mentioned before that carbohydrates are the source to all the energy that we have available to us. Well, that energy actually comes from glucose, or rather the sun. Let me explain. Yes, we supply the cells of our body all the energy they need by eating food, but ultimately, all energy comes from the sun. You may or may not remember that plants, unlike humans, can directly absorb energy from the sunlight, creating glucose and oxygen in a process called photosynthesis. So we're basically eating sunlight trapped in leaves, or animals that ate the leaves trapped with the sunlight, in order to get glucose, the most important energy source for our existence. Excess glucose is stored in plants in the form of starch, and in humans and other animals in the form of glycogen for short-term use, and fat for long-term use. Yes, the notorious fat, which I'll be talking about in the next video that I'll be posting next Saturday. That was just the tip of the iceberg on carbohydrates, and like always, you're welcome to explore this topic more. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please write them below. That's all for now. Bye!